Imagine waking up one morning and realizing you made $10 million before breakfast. No lottery, no inheritance, no viral fame, just intelligence, discipline, and a mind that sees what others don't. This is not fiction. This is the true story of Steve Cohen, a quiet boy from Brooklyn who became one of the most feared and respected investors in history. This is how legends are built. New York, 1950s. Small apartment, middle-class family. No luxury, no privilege. Just a young boy sitting near a window, reading stock prices in newspapers. While other kids played baseball, Steve studied numbers. While others watched cartoons, he watched markets. At just 12 years old, he opened his first trading account, not with thousands, with pocket money, and he lost it. But he didn't quit. He learned.
College years. Most students focused on parties. Steve focused on patterns, charts, trends, human behavior. He realized something powerful. Markets don't move by logic. They move by emotion, fear, greed, panic, hope. And if you understand emotions, you control money. 1980s. Steve joins a brokerage firm. First day on the job, he makes profit, not luck, skill. Within months, he becomes the best trader. Others follow rules. Steve breaks patterns. Others wait. Steve acts. His reputation grows. Whispers spread. There's a kid who never loses. In 1992, Steve makes a bold move. He starts his own hedge fund, SAC Capital. No guarantees, no safety net, only confidence. And then, magic happens. Year after year, massive profits, millions, then billions. Traders compete to work for him. Investors beg to join. SAC becomes unstoppable. Wall Street calls him the market whisperer.
But success has a dark side. Pressure increases. Competition rises. Risk grows. Some employees cross lines. Regulators start watching. Small cracks appear. No one notices, because when you're winning, you feel invincible. And invincibility is dangerous. Steve Cohen was on top. Money, power, respect, but destiny was preparing his biggest test.
In 2013, breaking news. SAC Capital charged. Insider trading. Federal investigation. Headlines explode. Reputation collapses. Fine. $1.8 billion. One of the biggest in history. SAC shuts down. Steve is banned from managing outside money. For years, from king to criminal suspect. From hero to headline villain. No interviews, no speeches, no excuses. Steve disappears. For the first time, he is alone. No markets, no noise, no applause. Just thoughts, regret, lessons, reality. Most people would quit. He didn't. He prepared. Behind closed doors, Steve builds again. Quietly, smarter, cleaner, stronger. He studies compliance, ethics, systems. No shortcuts, no gray areas. Only discipline. He names it Point 72, a new beginning. 2014 onward, Point 72 grows. Slow at first, then fast, then unstoppable. Billions under management, top analysts, advanced AI systems, elite training. Steve adapts. He evolves. He proves. Greatness isn't about never falling. It's about rising better. In 2020, Steve buys the New York Mets, a childhood dream, from watching baseball to owning a team. He invests, builds, supports players. Fans love him because he cares, not just about money, about excellence. Steve Cohen's rules: never stop learning, control emotions, accept mistakes, build strong teams, protect reputation, respect risk. Success without ethics is temporary. Discipline creates longevity. Today, Steve Cohen is back, billionaire, leader, mentor. But his real success is not money. It is resilience. He fell. He paid. He learned. He returned. Stronger, smarter, wiser. And that is the real lesson. You don't need perfect beginnings. You need an unstoppable mindset. Because in life, you are not judged by how high you rise, but by how powerfully you rise again. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. If you found value in this story, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more true market stories.